This is WIKO U Pulse, and today I would like to show how you can set up parental controls on this device. So to start, you will need to launch settings. Then you gotta enter the Google category. Or actually before that, you gotta make sure that there are no Google accounts over here. So enter the accounts category instead and remove any Google accounts you might have. Then open the Google category, tap at the parental controls, get started, child or teen, next. Now you gotta sign into your child's Google account real quick. Now once the child account was successfully logged into, you will need to select it from the list over here. Just give system a few seconds to show or display this account. And after that, you will need to log into another Google account or Gmail account, this time that the account you're going to use to supervise your child's activity, or simply parental account. Then, the following About Supervision page, you will need to scroll all the way down and input the child's Google account password once again. Then hit the agree button. Onwards. Over here, activate this device administrator and wait for the parent and child accounts to get linked. Then hit the next button. At this step, you can turn off some of the apps that are already installed on the child's device. You can do that later on and entirely skip this step. That's what I'm going to do. The same can be said about the following step, that is filters and settings management. So just do nothing and skip. Then just hit the skip option, finish the setup. Now you gotta take your parental device or simply the device you will use to supervise your child's activity. Here is mine. And download the free Google Family Link app from the Play Store. Once the app was downloaded, you will obviously need to launch it. In here, make sure to sign into the app with the parental Google account. And here is the controls, the list of controls you have an access to. You can also monitor your child's location and see the child's device usage highlights. So that will be it as far as setting up parental controls on this device goes. We highly appreciate your attention. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.